Rucava is rich not only with natural diversity. Human living environment is one of the most valuable elements of its heritage. The residents of Rucava take pride in its unique costume, which is well known in the whole country. This place is also known for its white butter, which is a traditional cow's milk. This butter has protected designation of origin classification in the European Union. Today, we are visiting the most southern part of Latvia. Rucava, with its more than 500 inhabitants, is located about 200 kilometers southwest of Riga. It has long been renowned as a sort of living ethnographic museum, and some described it as a museum of ancient Latvianness. When we arrived here, we got this loot bag, which has the name of the place, which is Vectēva Darzs, which means Grandpa's Garden. If you want to experience a peaceful and calming rural getaway, you can stay here. We're so lucky to be the first people to stay in that house. And there's another one, which is not yet finished. Vectēva Darzs, or Grandfather's Garden, came from the idea of the late grandfather Juris, who wanted his next generation to run a family home. We could say that he is happy because from a family home, his grandson Didzis now owned 2 holiday homes that everyone could rent during their stay in Rucava. This place has apple trees, plums, pears, and a lot more, so you could imagine when the area bursts into different colors in springtime. I could say that our stay in Rucava was indeed relaxing and a great moment of reconnecting to nature. Look at those guys, oh, a lot of plums in here. Look at that, dried fish, freshly smoked fish actually. Freshly smoked fish.
Not dried, smoked.
Yeah, oh. We're gonna visit a swamp today, and we'll go to the sea coast as a side trip while we are here in Rucava. It's a good thing that we have the sun. Oh my god. Sorry. Let's edit that out. Or no. We are visiting a swamp today, which is very near the border of Latvia and Lithuania. 15 kilometers from Rucava village, you'll find the Dunika bog trail located in the nature reserve of Dunika. One of the things you will notice when you travel to Latvia is that they have a lot of forests and lakes. I see a lot of blueberry plants. Latvia is a very good country to do mushrooming. I see a lot of mushrooms, but I'm not really good with determining which ones are edible, which ones are poisonous. And there's a lot of first times here in Latvia. Today it's my first time seeing a violet mushroom. The 7,000-plus-year-old moss or raised bog has different protected plant species. The Dunika wetland pathway offers a refreshing walk. So far, this is one of the most beautiful huge trails I've seen, which is not crowded with tourists. When we visited this place in late summer, the area was full of flowering heather. The wild variant of heather flower is usually in purple or mauve shades. They say that for brides who brought a bouquet of white heather on the aisle, it means good luck and a fruitful union. The wild horses of Pape Nature Reserve belong to the family of conic horses which have thick mane, a strong and stocky build, small head with a straight profile, and a neck set low out of the chest. The conic is short in height, ranging from 130 to 140 centimeters. Today, conics are bred either in barns or open reserves and under human guidance.
I got my torch. After this we have to dip it into something which will aid the fire.
In the ancient times, the ancestors of this area who inhabited the shores of the Baltic Sea lit bonfires to send message to their neighbors and seafarers. This event was to commemorate this ancient tradition wherein people gather at various locations to celebrate the ancient fire night. It is also a tradition asking the gods to protect the sea which unites the people who live there. When we were there, we prepared our torches from Mikiani homestead, then walked to the beach of Papiktuani village where there was a fire show followed by lighting a huge campfire. We just got home from that fire activity. I'm gonna show you how the chalet looks like. I can still smell the wood. I love that smell. This chalet can accommodate up to 5 people, so it's perfect. Good morning. When we woke up, there was already a dog. Oh, he's back, waiting for us outside. It's not. They gave us a bowl of fruits. There are apples, pears, and grapes. That is where our beds are. I'll show you guys the bathroom. There, look at that. The Pape Nature Park includes the shore and dunes of the Baltic Sea, the wild horses and goats, and lastly, the Lake Pape, which also recognized as one of the country's key migratory hotspots.
We are now in Pape, and if you look to that side, that is already part of Lithuania.
The Mikyanyi homestead was the place where we made our torches for the ancient Fire Night event. This recreation and camping site is located close to the shore of the Baltic Sea and the historic cultural monument Pape Historical Fisherman Village.
In this area, you will also find camping sites. I'll show you how it looks like. So the roof is made of these straws.
The Mikyanyi homestead, which is open during summer months, is a valuable part of historic cultural monument due to its traditional historic layout and buildings.
Thank you for watching this special episode of our quick trip here in Rucava, Latvia. Don't forget to subscribe and please share this video to your friends. If you are interested about the place where we stayed in, I'm gonna put the info in the description of this video. Please take care, guys, and I'm gonna see you on my next vlog. I'll leave you with this very beautiful sunset from Jurmalciems.